You know that is bliss. You know it's bliss, man. Holla at your boy, you know what it is, man. 410, 414, Southern Ave, Van Dyke. Let's go. I'ma do a little something like this. A little something like this. Listen, I'm in the hood every day and I got bricks. Chop them up every day, that's why I got chips. I'm stacking them like Pringles. I get with your bitch in the club, nigga, watch me mingle. I bag her up, put it in my motherfucking plastic bag. Acting stupid, dog. I got the casket waiting for you. If you start to hating, don't fucking start debating. Don't start to waiting, do what you gotta do and step to your business, because I'm hitting you, killing your mans and the witness. Everybody getting it. Shouts out the biscuit out in DC. Oh yes, we rolling 3 deep. That's Biscuit L3 and your boy Blizz. You know what it is. Fight ENT, it is the hottest thing on the market. We still sparking. Hit you up in the daytime or the dark, bitch. So it's nowhere to hide. You know we good with the whips. Oh yes, we know how to drive. We like NASCAR. Oh yes, and we will blast y'all. If y'all start talking shit, just go walk with it before we have to bag you up with a toe tag. You know me, man. I stay in the hood. I'm good, man. Everybody know me. Give me respect. If not, you could step to me and give me your checks or give me the text and show me what the drama is. The llama is on me every day, homie. I don't play, homie. You dig? Listen. Fire ENT, baby. L3, holla at your fucking boy. You know what it is.